Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? The 2006 Toyota Sequoia is back for the upper ball joint. Very good. So let's get into it. Well, things have escalated, as you can see. Knuckles out again. We did buy a special tool to do the upper ball joint, and axle was just in the way, everything was in the way, and we had to remove the whole knuckle assembly. But everything came out nicely because, as you can see, got a little bit of grease there. Just had to give this a couple of whacks here, a couple of whacks there, they just dropped right out. So, now, we got this Maddox ball joint kit from Harbor Freight, and not for nothing, it's working alright. I did have to shave a little bit of metal off of this guy here so it would fit and clear the knuckle a little bit, or a little better. But yeah, it's working. I mean, where's my wrench? Look at that, it's working pretty good. $59 well spent. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, the driver's side ball joint is all greased up, as you can see there. We're all installed and ready for our maiden voyage. This ball joint is also all greased up and replaced. That upper ball joint has been replaced. This axle shaft has been replaced. As we can see, the vehicle still needs some maintenance and service, but we're just going to do what the customer came in for. At least they returned for that upper ball joint after we replaced the rollers and the axle. So now I'm going to give it a good road test and send it on its way. Very good, guys. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.